Look what I drew. Hold on. Hello, my mommy, let's baby sister. She never plays with me. I feel jealous and angry. Mommy, look at me. Dad, let's play.
What do you mean, honey?
Oh, my daddy, let's baby sister. She never plays with me. I feel jealous and angry. Daddy, look at me. Mommy, daddy, let's baby sister. They never play with me. I need a hug. I want to play.
Mommy, daddy, loves you too. Oh, precious daughter. You and baby are one special. Yes, yes, we love you. We both love you the same.
Really?